for bat, B for ball, B, 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 B. C for cat and C for cup, K, 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 K. D for dog, D for dots, D, 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 D. E for egg and E for elephant, E, 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 E. F for frog, F for fish, F, 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 F. G for goat and G for grass, G, 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 G. H for hand, H for hat, H, 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 H. I for ink and I for insect, E, 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 E. J for juice, J for jar, J, 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 J. K for king and K for kite, K, 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 K. L for lamb, L for leaf, L, 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 L. M for man and M for monkey, M, 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 M. N for neck, N for nose, N, 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 N. O for ocean, O for oar, O, 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 O. P for plum, P for parrot, P, 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 P. Q for queen and Q for quail, Q, 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 Q. R for rope, R for rat, R, 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 R. S for sun and S for sunflower, S, 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 S. T for tap, T for tub, T, 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 T. U for uncle, U for umbrella, V for violin, V for violet, V. W for well and W for water, W. X for box, X for fox, Y for yacht and Y for yellow, Y. Z for zoo, Z for zebra, Z.
Let's start our number adventure. This is the number 1. Can you say one? Look, there's one sun, one moon, one you. Everything starts with 1.
1, 1, 1, let's have some fun. 1, 1, 1, we're number 1.
Look inside the classroom. Can you spot one object here? I see one car, one teddy bear, and so many more. Now let's meet the number 2. Can you say 2? Fun fact, 2 eyes to see, 2 ears to hear, 2 hands to clap.
Do, what can we do? Do, count them, do.
Can you spot 2 objects here? I saw 2 shoes over the chair, 2 glasses over the table, and 2 cats under the table. Here's the number 3. Can you say 3? Look, there are 3 little pigs and 3 blind mice. 3 is nice.
3, 3, 3, look and see. 3, 3, 3, count with me.
Can you group the object into 3? I picked 3 cars, dresses, and photo frames from the group of objects inside the room. Meet the number 4. Can you say 4? Fun fact, 4 seasons in a year, 4 legs on a chair, 4 is everywhere.
4, 4, 4, let's count some more. 4, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Look around. Can you group the objects into 4? Here, I see 4 balls, pillows, and bears. Great. Here's the number 5. Can you say 5? Fun fact, 5 fingers on a hand, 5 flowers on the ground, 5 stars in the sky.
5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5 by 5, we are alive.
3, 4, 5, 6. Great. I'm here in the fruit stand section in the public market. I will buy 6 pieces of apples, oranges, mangoes, and so much more.
6, 6, 6, pick up sticks. 6, 6, 6, count to 6.
Meet the number 7. 7 is heaven. Hello, I'm Mr. Lemon, and Elle will introduce you to my 7 lemons friend. Count with me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7.
7, 7, 7, up to heaven. 7, 7, 7, count to 7.
Meet the number 8. 8 is great. Oh, I love bananas. I can eat 8 bananas. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 bananas.
8, 8, 8 is an 8, great 8. 8, 8, let's celebrate.
This is the number 9. 9 is fine. Pineapple is a tropical fruit, and I love to eat pineapple. The juice is delightful. Count the pineapple 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9.
9, 9, 9, feeling fine. 9, 9, 9, count to 9.
Finally, the number 10. 10 is a perfect 10. Look at your 2 hands and feet. There are 10 fingers. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Perfect 10.
10, 10, 10, let's count again. 10, 10, 10, we're at the end.
Great job, kids. You've learned numbers 1 to 10. Remember, numbers are everywhere, and they make learning so much fun. See you next time on Learning Numbers Fun.